Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video, welcome first of all to Capcut tutorial, Capcut PC tutorial, and in this video I'll show you how to separate audio from video. So let's jump right into the video without wasting any seconds. So what you have to do, import the video, grab it, drag it into the timeline, and here right click and then separate audio. Click on separate audio, or what I like to do is click press on Control Shift S, and now I separated the audio from the video. So as I said, you can also recover, we can redo, and now we went back. So that's pretty much how you do it, guys. Subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care. And also, if you have any questions related to Capcut or there's something that you don't know how to do, please let me know in the comment section. I'll create a tutorial for you.